you can't even hit a target if you haven't actually got one, is something that really was reinforced to me over the last couple of weeks while I was away playing golf and having some fun with friends in the UK. Understanding what you're aiming for is really, really important, and actually thinking about what offers you can make to your potential clients, what products and packages that you've got that you can service them with, and actually understanding how your marketing's making this happen is something that needs to be really clear with you within your business. While I was playing golf in the UK, I got better as I got focused. Game one, after not playing for a couple of years, was basically survival and making sure that I didn't run out of balls, which was going to become very, very clear very quickly the way that I was playing. Game two, I focused in a bit more on putting and things got a bit clearer, knocked a few shots off, remembered a few lessons that I had in the past. Game three was try and get the driver straight, which is another thing that causes huge problems if you don't understand it, and so on. And by the time I got down to game five, I shot a very good score and was quite pleased with it. But it was just pure and simple focus that led to better results. Now, our master plan session can help you do this with your marketing. It's all about getting your targets clear and developing ways to make sure that you then exceed those targets over and over. There's a link below in the description to help you sign up for this session and actually start to get the results that you're really looking for. I can't promise you that we're going to help you with your golf in any way, shape or form, but definitely it's going to help your marketing, and it'd be great to give you a hand.